Good morning, friends. Welcome to Victoria, BC. Super excited. We got here from the ferry yesterday. Hey dude, how are you?
Are you guys for sure?
No.
It's a big video.
Yeah, dude, you want to be in the vlog?
Yeah, sure. Yo, what's up?
Wait, are we vlogging today?
I don't know, I just kind of started.
Or is this for tomorrow?
Maybe it's for tomorrow. It's now 10 o'clock, or almost 10 o'clock.
Yep.
And we haven't left the van yet today. We have been tipping away. Had to get a Freestyle Friday posted. Bec got up and is working on a blog post. And she's made us tea. And we had like a little light snack, but other than that, we're just having a very chill Friday. We've got 2 computers now, which makes a big difference in our
Lives.
Yeah, in our workflow.
Mm-hmm.
How was your sleep?
I think it was very good.
Very good. Mine was very good. I thought we were on a side street, but cars seemed to be ripping past us this morning. But other than that, like, really good sleep.
It's interesting because I'm writing this blog post about does loving the city make us bad van lifers, because I feel like van lifers are always those hippie conceived to be, you know, only wanting to be in nature and not liking cities. But something about all of our time spent in cities has really trained us to sleep just about anywhere.
That's true.
So last night we were probably sleeping in a loud street, but because we normally are in Toronto and sleep next to a highway and construction and all sorts of craziness, this was kind of quiet.
Yeah, and I'm usually I am a pretty spoiled sleeper. Like, I need to have no fun facts about me, guys.
2 pillows.
I do need 2 pillows. If I don't have 2 pillows, then I can use a big sweater, but I'll need to have something to like support my body on its side. And I need a fan noise. So I have like 2 different apps on my phone, and I listen to fan noises if there's no fan. We're parked up outside Cam's buddy's place, Toby, and I'm gonna pop in quickly. He said he might be around this morning to see if I can just jump on the Wi-Fi and start uploading. Toby, what's up, bro? Okay, so I'm gonna sit here, upload this vidster, and then I'll check in with you guys in a bit. Hello.
Can you read this? I think
Sure.
it started off really strong and then I sucked. That is the creative process, my friends. I'm loving this. This is great. Is this good?
Oh, my
this
glasses
sucks.
cute.
I suck.
Buddy looks cute this morning.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, I went for your lips and got your nose. What I think makes Eamon and I really unique in this scenario is that we do still work very full-time. We have our company, we make content, we work with brands to make content for them. So on a morning like today, I was really bummed to find out that everyone had left without us. But it is a balance and we need to figure it out, and we're still figuring it out, but we thought maybe today we could show you guys how we balance work and play while traveling. It'd be a really interesting vlog to bring you guys along for the day, because that's a commonly asked question. What do we do and how do we balance it all and all that kind of stuff? So let's just give her. I do need to get changed. Okay. It's 10 o'clock. The workday began at about 8, but I'm still
check on this video too.
Okay. Brunch lunch.
Thanks, Bryce.
What's a Friday without a brunch lunch? Yes, big thanks to Chef Fraser. He was our special guest on Freestyle Friday this week and whipped up an amazing tofu scramble.
It's actually so good.
It is really good.
So much better than mine.
Eamon's just reheating the leftovers. Sorry, triplets. I guess you don't get any because you're not around, so.
Snooze, you lose, guys.
Snooze, you lose.
If you guys want to learn more about this amazing tofu scramble, where can I go, babe?
What are you doing?
Not allowed to eat with food in my mouth anymore.
This is how you know we're having a busy day as well, when we don't even bother putting up the bed. Or up the bed. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I didn't even think about it.
It's so good. Yeah. So good, so good. Yeah. It's all good, so good. Yeah. You just relax and I'll do the dishes for you. And I'll cook and clean. It's all good, so good.
Sometimes I get these riffs in my head where it's like, if I just execute a little, I feel like it's a banger.
Oh my god.
You feel that, babe?
Yeah, so good, so good.
So good.
I remember one of our first nights together in Cambodia. We were in the middle of the street, and you had made up a song about being in the middle of the street. Do you remember that?
Yeah, it was such a banger.
It was such a banger.
I know. I gotta start like writing these down.
Writing them down. It's probably one of the moments I fell in love with you most.
It's so good.
It's so good.
Yeah.
It's so good. It's so good. It's too bad neither of us can sing.
I know.
Shoot.
Alright, so the plan this afternoon is we're gonna go suss. I'm sussing on you. Yeah, we're gonna suss out the cafe soon. For those of you that are wondering, we actually own a tea company. So we are super lucky that we've made independent cafes a part of our work because we love it as part of our life. So whenever we go to a new town, mainly in Canada because it gets a little more complicated exporting it into the States, one of the first things we do is check out the cafe culture, and it gives us an excuse to go to the cafes and expense a tea. So we're gonna do that today, just kind of get a feel for what the vibe is, talk to the baristas, see what kind of chai they're using. Another cool thing is now that we're kind of in our third year of business, there's a little bit less pressure on us to go and close that sale, and if they're not the right cafe, then it's not a big deal. We just kind of acknowledge that right away. Hello.
Hi. What's up?
Not much. Just filming ourselves.
Often in Canada, we find that Tim Hortons and Starbucks still play a huge role in a major city or a town. But even yesterday walking around, like I saw a few Starbucks, but there weren't so many Tim Hortons, which means that people really do want to support local, and that's what we're all about too. So let's go, let's hit the streets, let's check it out, we'll bring you guys along, and that's all I have to say. I hope this makes sense. I hope the lady walking her dog in a stroller didn't distract me too much. Just to clarify, we only make chai, so we specialize in a unique sticky chai, and it's used for chai lattes, teas, and iced chais. So we're not looking to like take away the whole tea business of someone else. We're just looking to replace all those concentrates and things that you find in the marketplace. Take away the
concentrate business.
Yeah, we want to get rid of concentrates and bring it back to like health and things that taste good but are really good for you too. And this is what our packaging for at home looks like. Little plug for the tea company.
Where can they get it?
Don't do that all that often, but if you guys are interested in checking out our chai company, I'll link it below. Black tea is caffeine.
Sorry.
Rooibos is no caffeine. Eamon is getting changed. The lady at her house is probably hoping we leave, so we should leave.
We get a lot of questions about how we're able to work together, and one of the big reasons why we are is because we have very different roles. So I'm the sales guy. I'm gonna go in, try and introduce myself to the team, and see what kind of chai they're using. Bec's gonna jump in the computer and do the thousands of things that actually make a business run. Hey, will you try and get a shot of me pitching the staff?
Yeah.
Hey, how are you? Good. Thanks for your chai. So that's usually what happens when you go into a cafe and you ask to speak to the owner. The barista, for some reason, gets like somewhat offended that you're asking for the owner, but what I've learned is if you don't ask for the owner, then you could be wasting your time with the barista that's hot-headed and just trying to grill you when they have no authority to make any decisions. So Bec was a little awkward because after that interaction that I think she filmed, I went over and was like, yo, what up? And she was like, oh my God, what are you doing talking to me? It's so awkward. So I guess maybe she had asked the barista about the chai already, and then I don't know. Anyway, I don't really care if it's awkward. I am going to hit the road. I'm going to their roastery location, try and meet the owner, and then I'm going to hit up some other cafes and just suss it out and try and get the right contact information to make sure I'm speaking to the right person. Mission unsuccessful. Did not meet. Got a new girl named. I probably shouldn't have said those names. I'll probably blurp those out. Okay, next spot. Another cafe. Another mission. Hello, sir.
Willing to pick up a hitchhiker this morning?
She's as good looking as you are.
How'd you go?
I went well-ish.
Yeah.
Not an owner in sight.
Yeah.
which is pretty standard, but we've got some cards, we've got some emails, we've got some names.
Step one.
That's a start. I try to tell the vlog about why our little awkward interaction at the last place we're at.
Well, I find it weird when I go in before you and I ask them about the chai to try to like set the tone for you, and then you come in and you're trying to sell them chai.
Oh yeah, I didn't know that you...
And I'm sitting right there and you come over, like I was sitting right in front of them, and then it's like really obvious that that's what I was doing. That's all.
True.
I'm not actually, I am an awkward person, I guess, but that situation makes me feel awkward because I just had that conversation, so.
That makes sense.
Yeah. It's all good. It seems like it's really cleared up. It's a beautiful sunny day and I would love to
do something fun?
Yeah. How about you?
Let's go find something fun to do. So here's the fun thing we decided to do. We've met up with the Sibs. What's up, boys?
Yo! What's up?
We're actually gonna try and pan cook cookies.
The other side might just cook on the...
Oh, that one's not that bad. I'm not sure if I'd recommend this. Maybe if you had a lid, that might help the situation.
Yesterday while we were working, these guys discovered this really awesome park, and also this little, what do you call it, like a farm? I hope it's not a farm.
It's an animal sanctuary.
Is it a sanctuary? Anyways, they discovered some goats, some pigs. One thing you gotta know about Fraser is he is looking to adopt a pig. Don't tell Dawn, but we support it. So we're gonna go check out the goats and just have a gay old time.
Let's go see some goats! Nice one, Acorn.
Fraser's got the touch.
Tell the vlog what's going on. Where are we?
I'm not like the local here, but
Yeah, dude,
You are.
it's called the Victoria Public Market, I think.
Yeah.
Just like the shops and shit. It's kind of like a food court. It's a vegan butchery.
Taco stuffer. Ooh, BBQ jackfruit. Are you salivating at the lips yet?
It's always very exciting when you see the busiest spot here is the plant-based one. Lined up. They're gonna close in like 10 minutes. Boom!
Wow, taco salad.
Brace yourself, Susan. We're going in.
Barbecue jackfruit burger was probably a 9 out of 10.
How's the chicken burger?
Criminals are better.
These guys parked in the same spot as us, just across the street, and they got a $40 ticket. And we got away scot-free. I'm not gonna lie, we leave our delivery sign in the window at all times, and I think that saves our ass a lot. So, shout out to the ticket man for giving us a bit of a pass. I appreciate you.
Everybody seems like they're gonna shower and head out. I'm not sure what the night holds for us, but I think we're gonna wrap up today's video here. In the event that we just end up in bed, or we do go out and maybe we can just get a little crazy.
Highly unlikely.
Very unlikely. Have you guys ever heard of the term fobbing?
I was fobbing in the background.
It's when you're sitting around with friends and they just pick up their phones and start fobbing. Whoa, did we tell the vlog yet about our biggest new project?
No, we didn't.
We're gonna save that for the next vlog.
Yes. Maybe the next couple of vlogs. But we did tell your crew on Instagram.
Yeah.
So if you guys aren't OG Instagram at Rebecca Maroney followers, then you won't know
for maybe another week or so. But there is big, exciting news, exciting stuff happening.
It's
Maybe you guys
super
can guess in
exciting.
the comments below.
Yeah, that sounds fun.
What are we doing next?
Stay subscribed, you guys. We love ya.
Peace.
Nosy, nosy, what's it to ya? Nosy, nosy, what's it to ya? When I jump into my little bed with nothing on it all. Woo! Do you like it?
Yeah. I really like that.